I go running pretty regularly, 3 to 4 miles, every other day. When the pandemic started, stopped going to gyms and started running outside, so that's been kind of new and exciting. After spending the morning thinking through a challenging problem at work, I really just enjoy going for a run and come back feeling so much more refreshed. Hello, I'm Radha. I'm a VP of Software Engineering at Mastercard. I work on the Data and Services Technology Innovation team, and I'm based out of the Arlington Tech Hub. When I left high school, I really, really wanted to be a math major. To some extent, I just liked math more than I liked anything else. I remember taking a stats class, and that was the first time that really math felt applicable to the real world. The mission of our team, Data and Services, is to build services that leverage data that help our customers grow their business. And then the innovation group is looking at what new services and products can we add to the data and services. And so we're looking into ways to kind of introduce new ideas, figure out how to test whether those ideas work with customers, figure out what the value prop of these ideas are going to be, and then either decide this idea isn't a good idea and stop working on it, or figure out how to continue growing the idea into the point where it's a commercialized product. There are times where I definitely miss being able to put my hands on a keyboard and just kind of program something, but I think when you're good at something, the next step is teaching other people how to be good at it. When I think of innovation, I think it's really just, trying to do new things that have never been done before. We always kind of had our flagship products and our products that were the big sellers, and I was always kind of working on the new thing that we were trying to figure out how to introduce to the market. Applied Predictive Technologies, we were acquired by Mastercard, I want to say in 2015. So my husband was part of that group. He also started at Applied Predictive Technologies the same year that I did, and so we met and we were friends for a while, and then eventually started dating, and eventually got married, and we both, still work at Mastercard today.
Hey.
Hey, how was your walk?
That was fun. Luca was the usual.
Jim was the usual.
Yeah, I think he's just high energy morning. He was very tired this morning when
I really enjoy being an engineer. And even though nowadays, I do more management and project management and people management, being part of that world is just really exciting to me. Mastercard definitely invests a lot in me to kind of help me grow, help me feel more comfortable in some settings, giving me opportunities to kind of grow my ability to be a leader, be better at communication, things like that.
How's it going? Coming in.
Thank you.
Excited for games?
Absolutely.
I didn't really play board games, especially strategy board games, before I kind of started working. And a lot of my friends in the area were really into board games, and so that's kind of how I got brought into it. I found that I really, really enjoyed it. To me, it kind of comes back to the problem solving, the creative thinking. You have an objective, you come up with a strategy, you start playing, and then something unexpected happens. The game throws in randomness on purpose, or one of the other people playing ends up doing something that interferes with your strategy. And so you kind of need to take a step back and think do I need to change my strategy? Do I need to do something different? How am I going to respond to these different environmental variables? That's always kind of what's kept me excited about work. It's just the community feel of it. I love the team-based projects. I love my team. I think we do a really good job of, recruiting people that, are really just excited and passionate about just problem solving and coming up with the best solution to any problem. And so I've just always kind of enjoyed that energy and that passion.